All the memories in there of all the great games that have been played there. The middle part was at New Beaver Field, and they brought it over in 1966.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Boom. You.
About turning this into a palace that all of you deserve, and you sat in all, I mean, not the press box, but everything on this west side is going to be done. It's all being done for all of you and for the football program, because it's the best program in the country with the best fans, and you deserve the best experience.
Yeah,
so that's what it's all about.
Yay!
Okay? Step number 1 today. Okay? And we had the last one. Which team did we get?